Good morning everybody. I am MD Patra and I am electrical expert of MKD Education. And we will discuss about what is an electrical engineer and why we are going to study electrical engineering subject. So as we know that we are in our day to day life, we are using all the equipment that is based upon electrical. That means without electrical we can't exist. Like for example, we are using bulbs, lights, fan, AC, TV, refrigerator, and also we are going for electric vehicles. All these things A to Z that we are using in our daily life, that is based upon only electrical. So we need to know that what is electrical engineering, what are the parameters. And another thing I want to tell you that we know that doctors are the second god, but as per my point of view, we engineers are the second god, because the doctor that he is using a stethoscope that is made by an engineer, and also the needle that he is using that is also made by an engineer. So obviously we are using, or we will make all these things, after that they are using this. So engineers are the that I can tell, engineers must be there in a society to survive. And as far as we know about the electrical concept, that means we are using that, suppose we are getting 230 volt AC voltage to our in our home. 230 volt AC voltage we are getting in our home. So what is that voltage? We are telling that this bulb is 100 watt or fan is 60 watt. So what do you mean by that watt? What is the power rating, or what is power? And we are telling our load is 10 ampere. So what is that ampere? Means it is a current, electric current. So these all are these imaginary quantities. We can't see voltage, we can't see current, and also we can't see power. But there is some existing things are there, means we need to know what is voltage, what is current, and what is power. This is the three basic electrical things of requirement of electrical engineering. So we will study about all these things in details now. So friends, ଏବେ ଆମେ start କରିବା the most interesting part of engineering branch. जेहेतु तमे माने एबे फर्स्ट ईयर रे, तो तमे माने एबे भाबुथबो मु जो वर्तमान कहिली करेंट, वोल्टेज, पावर, ए सब कोन सबु जाक इमेजिनरी जिंस, किछि आमे देखि पाउने. जेतेबेले मु मध्ये पढुथिली मु भाबिली मु आको केमति पढिबी, ये तो बहुत कष्ट. किंतु जेतेबेले मु जानिली जे नाही ये करेंट माने सिंपली हम भाबिबा जदि आमे गोटे पानी को ढाळुचे, पानी ढाळिबा जहा पानी रो स्रोत विद्युत स्रोत जोटा कि हमें करंट बोली कहूचे. देन जदि वोल्टेज पाखक मु जीबी, सिंपली आपको यदि मु बहुत खांटी ओडिया रे बुझेबी, एटा मोर होला गोटे प्रेशर, गोटे बळ मु दउची. इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रेशर मींस वोल्टेज, आ किछि नै. तम माने गोटे जगह रे ठिया आइचो, मु गोटे प्रेशर देली, तमन को पेलिली, तो पेलिला पर तमरो किछि गोटे मूवमेंट हबो. तो सेही मूवमेंटटा हैला तमे जो फ्लो करूचो, दैट इज करंट. आउ तम सेही भितरे जतिकी काम हैला सेटा होची मोर इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर. आउ किछि नाही. दिस इज द कांसेप्ट. आउ गोटे जिंस हमर भी अछि जे रेजिस्टेंस, जोटा कि से करंट फ्लो को अपोज करूची, से जिंसटा हला मोर रेजिस्टेंस. सो इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग रो बेसिक जिंस करंट, वोल्टेज, पावर एंड रेजिस्टेंस. देन हमें एबे पढिबा what is electrical engineering, or what are the basic parameters of electrical engineering. So here, as we know, in our daily life, means we are using electrical equipments, electronics, computer, instrumentation, aeronautic, all the things that is based on only electric. Means without electricity it is simply impossible. स्विच ऑन न करले किछि भी ऑन हेबार नाही. तो इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग इज मस्ट. सो एबे मु जो कहिली तम मानकु जे करंट, सो करंट फ्लो रो माने कोन? So as we know, come to the next slide. एठो आमे माने कोन आज सिखि परिबा जहा मु एबे कहिली इलेक्ट्रिकल वोल्टेज, करंट, चार्ज, पावर ए सब जिंस आमे आज जानिबा. सो कमिंग टू द टॉपिक. सो आमे माने जानि जे एवरी इक्विपमेंट इज मेड अप ऑफ सम मॉलिक्यूल्स and molecules is also made up of some atoms and atom is also made up of some subatomic materials that is known as electron, proton and neutron. So these are the charged particles. Electron is a negative charge particle and proton is the positive charge particle. So here this one. So in the outermost orbit that we are seeing, these are the electron or this is known as electron orbits. It is the outermost element of the atom and this is the central part that is known as nucleus. In that central part there is protons and neutrons are there. So as we know, neutrons are chargeless or that is neutral and proton is positively charged. Proton is positively charged and electron is negatively charged, and from that we our concept of charge is there. This is charge is the physical property of substance that causes it to experience a force when placed in a electromagnetic field, or simply I can tell this is only deficiency and excess of electrons. Deficiency and excess of electrons is known as charge. So for example NaCl तमे माने जानिछ हमर एटा होची खाइबा लुण सोडियम क्लोराइड. आमे एटा डेली लाइफ रे यूज करछे, डेली खाउछे लुण, किंतु तमे माने जानिनो सेथिरे को चार्ज अछि और इट इज ए इलेक्ट्रिकल क्वांटिटी. Na means sodium, Cl means it is chlorine. So the atomic number of sodium that is 11 and atomic number of chlorine that is 17. So as we know, if we go for the sodium configuration, so its innermost orbit it is having 2 electrons, then next is 8 and the outermost it is 1 like this. This is 2, then 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and in the outermost we are having only 1 electron. Then if we will go for this chlorine, so inner it is 2, then next 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is 11 and it is 17. So as we know, for formation of a bond we need 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. Means electrons we are having the free electrons in the outermost orbit and that is forming the bond. So here we are having 7 and here we are having 1. For sodium 2 8 and 1. For chlorine it is 2 8 and 7. So if we will add this 7 with this one, now it will be 8. 7 plus 1 it is 8. So here we can tell we are giving this electron to chlorine, so it should be now 8. Okay, so if we are giving this electron to chlorine, now the number of electrons in this sodium will be now reduced to 10, but number of protons is still 11 because we know that number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So if we are giving one electron to another atom, so obviously number of electrons will be reduced and number of protons is now in increasing order. So and also the atom which is considering or which is receiving the electron, in that case the number of electrons is increasing as compared to number of protons. So as we know, electrons is positive, negatively charged and proton is positively charged. So obviously in which atom number of protons are more, that is positively charged. In which number of electrons are more, that is negatively charged. So here we can see that in case of sodium we are giving 1 electron. So obviously now number of electrons is 10 and proton is 11. So positive charge is maximum here. That's why we can write down this is Na plus. And here again we can see in this chlorine we are receiving a electron. So number of electrons are more than number of protons. Number of electrons is 18 now and proton is still 17. So obviously if electron is more, it is negatively charged. तमे माने सब मैट्रिक रे पढ़ी थिबो जे anion and cation. So this is anion and cation. जोटी मु प्लस लिखी छी Na plus, that is anion. जोटी मु नेगेटिव लिखी छी, that is cation. So sodium is positively charged and electron is chlorine is negatively charged. So एठी मु तम मानको कोन कहली ना deficiency or excess of electrons is known as charge. So deficiency माने कोन, सोडियम रो गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन कमी गला सेटा होची deficiency and chlorine रे गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन बढ़ी गला सेटा हला हमर excess. So जोठी कमी गला सेटा हला हमर positive charge, जोठी अधिक हला सेटा हमर negatively charge. This is our sodium chloride NaCl, Na plus Cl minus. Then okay, now we will move on to the next slide, that is electrical potential or voltage. So voltage means it is simply electrical pressure. Suppose एठी जस्टटी अछि मु ताको एमति केते बड़ प्रयोग करिकि मु ताको बाडैली. So how much area it will cover, that is pressure or that is electrical pressure. So and if we will go for this point to that point, माने ए point ए जगह रे रस्टरटा अछि से एठी को जिवो केते प्रेशर यूज करिकि मु ताको एठो एरी आनिली, that is potential difference. अलगा किछि नै, वोल्टेज हैला गोटे जगह रे मु केते प्रेशर देली and potential difference हैला गोटे जगह रो आ गोटे जगह को आसिया पे केते प्रेशर से नेला. Both units are voltage, both are voltage, but गोटे पॉइंट केते प्रेशर आ गोटे हला पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, गोटे पॉइंट रो आ गोटे पॉइंट रो डिफरेंस, that is. So here it is V is equal to W by Q or joules per coulomb, joules per coulomb, or simply the unit is volt. And if we go for this potential difference, it is defined as the work done in moving unit charge from one end to another end of a conductor, and the unit is also volt here. Then if we will go for this source and load concept, so what is source and what is load. So गोटे भलो एग्जांपल हला आरो तमे माने घरे पैसा कोठु आनुछ, ऑब्वियसली तुम पेरेंट्स दउचंती बा बापा मां दउचंती, तो बापा खाली तमर सोर्स से इनकम कले तो ताकर सोर्स दउचंती काहाकू तमे मागुछ से तुमको देबे तो तमे हेलो लोड. बापा हेले तमर सोर्स, ही इज द इनकमिंग मेंबर, ही इज द अर्निंग मेंबर, तमे ताको रिसीव करके ताको यूज करला तमे हेलो लोड. सो सिंपली इन इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट सपोज आमे गोटे बैटरी देखुचे किंबा गोटे जेनरेटर काम कोन से इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी बा इलेक्ट्रिकल वोल्टेज जनरेट करूची, जनरेट कला परे कोन करिवो से तार काम कोन आमर यूज हला कोन आमे फैन लगेबा, लाइट लगेबा, एसी चलेबा, टीवी चलेबा, ऑल इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट्स वी हैव टू यूज. सो जनरेटर आमे जनरेट करले आउ ताकू सप्लाई देले आमे स्विच ऑन करले हमरो बल्ब जळुची, तो बल्ब वाला गोटे लोड. बल्ब गोटे लोड, फैन गोटे लोड, ग्राइंडर लोड, सब जिनस आमर लोड. So battery or generator, that is source, and load is what? Our electrical bulbs or fan or light, all the electrical equipments. So here, if you will see this circuit, here this is the source generator. It is a source. If it is DC, it is a battery. If it is AC, it is a generator, AC generator. And this is the load resistor, load resistance. Suppose a bulb, घरे जो bulb use करछो, that is the load. And now the condition is, if the circuit is closed, then current will flow. Otherwise current will not flow at all. So that means here we are giving the source, then we are connecting the load, then circuit is connected in the back side. So it is a total complete circuit. Then we are giving voltage, here is the load, then the current will flow. Current flow means what? Simply it is the flow of electrons in a circuit. Simply it is the flow of electrons. So like this, here if it is a vacuum tube, here we are having electrons or free electrons is flowing there. This is charge that I have told you. एबे मु तमन को कहिली this is charge. आपको यदि हमें कनेक्ट कर देबा, I am connecting this vacuum tube with a battery. Suppose it is E. The voltage is E here. So now here the circuit is closed and electron will flow. So electron is flowing means it is known as current is flowing. Simply the flow of free electrons is known as electric current, whose unit is ampere. And this is the source or voltage. We are giving electrical voltage, we are using electrical load, and if the circuit is closed, then the current will flow. This is the concept of current and voltage. Then come to the next slide. So these are the key points that we have studied now. Charge, electric potential or voltage, potential difference, current, source and load. So if it is charge, so that I have told you, simply deficiency and excess of electrons, that is charge, and the unit is coulomb. Then if you go for electric potential or voltage, simply it is the electrical pressure and its unit is volt. Then if you go for this potential difference, this is the work done from one place to another place. Its unit is also voltage. Then if you go for current, it is the current or electric current is the rate of change of charge, or simply rate of change of charge means flow of free electrons, and the unit is ampere. And if you go for the source, so which will deliver energy, as like your father is delivering money, so which will deliver energy, that is source. For example, generator, battery, all these things. And if you go for load, it is the device which is extracting energy, or we are giving energy to that substance. So simply electrical loads means all the things that we are using, fan, light, bulb, everything is electrical load. Okay, so here we can conclude that this is electrical engineering, and in this we have studied that how the charge is created. Simply we are giving we are seeing the free electrons, how it is moving from one place to another place. That's why it is positive or negative, positively charged or negatively charged, and that is known as current flow. When electron is flowing means current is flowing, and when we are going for voltage means simply we are giving electrical pressure, and when we are giving voltage to any electrical load within a closed circuit, so then current will flow. This is the fundamental thing of any electrical engineering, and on this we are generating, transmitting and distributing electrical power. We are generating in the generating station like hydropower plant, nuclear power plant and thermal power plant. Then we are transmitting that much of electrical energy through the transmission line, and that energy is distributed to our home. So electrical engineering means simply generation, transmission and distribution. Okay, and here these are the questions we can cover, that what is charge, potential difference, potential, current, source, define electrical power and difference between source and load. What is source and what is load. Then so पिला माने तम माने आजी कौन सब बुझिलो सब देखिबो, and then next class रे आमे आहुरी किछि आहुरी बहुत भलो भलो जिंस जानिबा, इलेक्ट्रिकल आहुरी बहुत जिंस अछि जेटा हम जानि परिबा। आउ आम वीडियो को एमती आपण माने सब फॉलो करंतु, आहुरी नवा नवा जिंस मु कहिबी।